What's up guys, Troy here with Restoring Eden, wanting to show you a quick drip irrigation installation that we're doing on a property in the Seattle area. Behind me you see I'm underneath a patio, front door walkway area, and there's our timer right there, and you see we got two lines, so I'm just going to follow this out there and you're going to see what we did here. So we installed this timer. This is a Melnor timer. It's a four zone, and we're not using all the zones, but this is just a good deal. It's a good unit, and we like it, so we use it. These are reducers, pressure reducers, two 1/2 inch polypropylene main lines, and we're not sure exactly how to finish this off, so we just did some rough cutting in here. Obviously, you could dig this under. You just follow this down. You see we're going straight down the side of a house. Pretty simple installation here. That's all that was needed. Oh, got caught there, excuse me. And eventually we're gonna put in some fruit trees here, right in this area, and then maybe even a little grape vineyard right in there. So we'll cut that in later. And then down here you see, so we got these two lines splitting off. One's going to a bunch of blueberry plants down there. And then on these, we just have drip emitters. We have 8 of them going to each blueberry plant. And these drip 1/2 gallon per hour. So these blueberry plants will get 4 gallons per hour. They probably only come on a couple times a week. And then you see our secondary line goes over here and goes to what is a garden plot. See that this was just tilled up. And so once again, bamboo stake is just to keep things sturdy there in a straight line. And you see this is a 32-inch bed. Every 6 inches we got a 1/4 inch drip line going all the way down this bed. It's about 30 feet. And so every 6 inches is the spacing, and then every 6 inches is a drip line. And once again, this is the 1/2 gallon per hour drip line. So yeah, that's that. Pretty easy way to garden, if you ask me. He'll never have to come out here and water his fruit trees, his blueberries, or his veggie garden. So yes, we do this for clients. If you're interested, just give us a call and we can come out, consult with you, and get one of these installed.